Yes. Welcome back. Here's Bruce Wayne, your coach, my friends, for today. Make sure you pay attention to this wonderful way of doing math. So look at this. Module 2, Lesson 6 and 7 of the Eureka model sort of like go hand in hand like this. Look. Hand in hand, my friends. Got it? Okay. I hope that was a good visual for you. So here's our multiplication. And here is area model. So we're gonna draw our area model. Dun dun dun. So our area model is going to say, let's do it differently. Let's do it this way. So we're gonna write the 100 over here on the top because that's the 100 from here plus the 3/10, which is 30, plus the 6 ones, my friends. The 6 one, that's it. 6 ones. That's all we need right there. So let me close my area model here. Oh man, I do such a great straight lines. I don't know so good about it. Okay, so now we're gonna place the other one, the 2,524, on the left side. So we start with the large. What's the largest number? 2,000. So 2,000 is gonna be written right here on the bottom. 2,000 plus 500 plus 2 tens. That means 20 plus 4 ones. I think we ran out of space right here, my friends. So let's do this. So here is my line to make the areas. And here is the other one as well. That's a little crooked, but you know what? We can handle this. So there they are. Now all we gotta do is create the multiplications, my friends. So this multiplication here is gonna be 4 times 100. 4 times 100, and the total will be 400. Then we're gonna move across to the 30, to the 3 tens. So 4 times 3 tens equals 120. 4 times 3 equals 12 times the 10 that is represented by the 0, my friends. And we multiply 4 times 6 equals 24. So 4 times 6, the total is 24. So our answer here is 24. Our answer here is 120, and the hundreds is 100. Now we're going to multiply the tens. So that's going to be 20 times 100. And the total will be, my friends, do this way is going to be very easy. This is like distributing the numbers to create different multiplications, but watch what happens. 2 times 1 equals 2, and the zeros represent tens. So if you have 3 tens, that means 3 tens times 10 times 10, that's 1,000. 2 times 1,000 equals 2,000, obviously. Okay? See how easy that is? Okay, now let's look at the next one. 20 times 30. So we're going to write 20 times 30. So if you look at 2 times 3, that's 6. And one 0 represents tens, and the other 0 represents tens. So that's 10 times 10 is 100. 100 times 6 equals 600. Easy peasy, my friends. Okay, the next one is 20 times 6. So we're going to write 20 times 6. So we multiply 2 times 6 equals 12 times the 10 that is represented by the 0. That's 120. That's easy, right, friends? Good. Keep watching. Now, we're going to create a multiplication with 500 times 100. So 500 times 100. Once again, we use the distributive property, which will be 5 times 1 equals 5. And 10 times 10, that's 100. And 10 times 10 is 100. So 100 times 100 equals 10,000. So 10,000 times 5 equals 50,000, my friends. And how do I know that? Well, count the zeros. That's 4 zeros. That's 4 zeros. So that's correct. That's our answer here. Okay. Our next multiplication is 500 times the number above, which is 3 tenths. So again, 5 times 3 equals 15. We count the number of tens. That's 1, 2, 3. That's times 1,000. That means 50,000. Our next one is 500 times 6. That's simple. 5 times 6 equals 30, and then the 500 was multiplied by 100, so that means 2 more zeros, and that's the answer. That's our total. Now, our last problem multiplication is the 2000s. So we're going to multiply 2000 times 100. 2000 times 100. So when you multiply 2 times 1 equals 2, and you have 5 zeros, so that means it was multiplied by, I think 100%, so that we're going to add them up. We don't add them up. We multiply the 2 times 100,000, that equals 200,000, my friends. Okay, so we're so far so good. So now we're going to multiply 2,000 times the number above is 30. Now, 3 times 2 equals 6. How many zeros? That's 10,000. That represents 10,000 of zeros. So 10,000 times 6 equals 60,000. Woo, yeah, baby! We are doing this, my friends. You're going to be great people who are excellent at multiplication. Now we're going to multiply again. 2,000. I'm going to get out of the box a little, times the 6 on the top. So that will be 2 times 6 equals 12. Times 3 zeros, that will be 1,000. 1, 2, 3. So that is our total right here. Oh, that's a lot of work, my friends. But check this out. This is a lot easy. When you add them up, it's easy. So we have, if we add 400, we're going to add them up down here vertically. So that's the first one, 400, plus 2,000, plus 50,000, plus 200,000. Oh, look at this, my friends. We have like a cake here. All we gotta do is add them up. Zeros equals zeros. 0 equals zeros. 4 plus zeros equals 4. And plus zeros equals 2. 5 plus 0 equals 5, and 2 plus 0 equals 0. So that's our first partial answer. Second partial answer is going to be in the middle. Let's see, we have plenty of room here. So this is going to be, the answer is 120 for this one. This is 600. This is 15,000. Well, it went from 600 to 15,000. That's incredible. And 60,000. Whoa. We're getting up there in the numbers, my friends. Well, excuse that number. So that's all the zeros equals 0. All the zeros plus 2 equals 2. All the zeros plus 6 plus 1 equals 7. And then we have 75,000 here. That is our third partial answer. Now we're going to go to the next one, my friends. This is going to be quite a long video, but you will benefit from it. 24 plus 120 plus 3,000. Whoa. Plus 12,000. Whoa. My friends, our numbers are getting really large. So all the zeros plus a 4 equals 4. All the zeros plus 2 and 2 equals 4. All the zeros plus 1 equals 1. And all the 3 plus 2 equals 5. And 1 plus 0 equals that number. Alright, my friends, we have found all the partial products. So now we have to add them all up. That's crazy. We gotta add them all up now. So let's align them right below here. 252. Let me focus my camera here. 1,400 plus 75,720. You know, my friend, I think there's a mistake over here somewhere. Let's see, because oh no, that's correct. That's 15,000. For a moment, I thought the number was 151,000. No, that is correct. I'm confident that is correct. Okay, this is 4. 2 plus 4 equals 6. and 4 plus 7 equals 11, plus 1 equals 12, we carry 1 over. 5 plus 5 equals 10, plus 3 equals 13, we carry 1 over. 6, that these two are 6, plus 7 is 13, and 1 is 14, you carry 1 over, and that is 3, my friends. So the total of this multiplication is 343,264. Alright, so now I tell my students, let's check to see if this is true. Let's round this number. Let's say you round this number to 3,000. If we round this number to 3,000 and this number to 100, and we multiply those numbers, we should get a number that is not too far. Well, I'm not showing you this. I don't know why my camera is not moving with my hands. I should get a camera that follows my hands. So I was saying that if you round that 2,524 to the nearest thousand, that will round to 3,000. And if you round the 136, then that will round to 100. If you multiply these two numbers that are an estimation, it should give you a number that is really close to the answer. So if we multiply 3, 1 equals 3, and it has how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that was multiplied by 5 tenths. And 5 tenths, that will, let's write them down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tenths. So the answer is 300,000. Let's see if our answer over here is close. Oh, look at this. It's really close, my friends. That means our answer is correct. My friends, please watch the videos again, and we'll go over the algorithm portion of this video. Otherwise, this video is going to be very, very long. My friend, from Studio Gravity 2, this is your coach, Bruce Wayne, my friend. Watch these videos and enjoy life with mathematics. Be an expert on it.